straight line, I use a straight line, and I use a curved line. That means circle, oval, and straight line. This is a straight line, right? See, that is already you practice, no beta? Here. So practice. So why I do practice all those things? Because of these things. When I start any drawing, I need, when I draw the real animal, I need the basic shape. You should know. So you already practice this basic shape. Circle, oval, straight line. Okay. And one thing also you learn. Remember what this one learn? Curved line, right? This is curved line. Still, I'm not using here, right? See, I use curved line here. One curved line, one curved line. So see, this is animals. Okay, anatomy. I draw. I simplify this shape with this circle, oval, and straight line. Now I show you how to make any animal. Okay, any animal with this shape. So if you want to, I want to make the deer. I can make deer, tiger. I can make the wolf, dog in this shape. So for example, I want to make, this is the character of deer. How to draw deer. So is that difficult or easy for you? This shape that much?
You have drawn some shapes, so that is easy for you.
Right? That is easy for you. It's not at all tough for you, right? So that much drawing you draw first. Okay, that much you do first.
Can I draw in this paper which I have?
Yes. If you have pace, you can draw. Just make circle, oval, and join circle, oval, this, and using the curved line. Okay, like this. Only this. आराम से take time.
Okay.
Take time. Just nicely can do. Here I show few examples of done, right? So now, okay. Yeah, they have 7 out of 3. Fine. Yes, fine. Now can show. Yeah, fine. Absolutely perfect. Yes. Okay. Here is, yeah. So now I want to share you how to make next steps. So just you go here. There's 2-3 steps. Again, I'm using simple that thing only. Okay. I using this circle for nose. Okay. Here I can draw one nose. Okay. And I draw the same proportion. Okay. I draw the first nose here and the same proportion here. I draw again oval. Just this shape, oval shape. Okay, beta. First shape also oval, second shape also oval, and third shape also I make it the curve, which you practice already. 1, 2. It's a curve line, right? So I'm using only these 4 things. All drawing, I'm using only these 4 things. Okay, beta? Circle, oval, straight line, and curve line. You got it, beta?
Yes, I got.
Fine. So now I just make over here. Okay. One circle like this. So one oval, one circle. You got to understand. Right?
Okay, you're right. Yes.
Yeah. So now I just make it after that. Very simple. Here I just put over here one line like this. One curve line. Okay. When you do the curve line, it looks more nice, this character. And inside the circle, you just dark line. So it looks, this just looks cute. This character. Okay, beta?
Yes.
It looks cute. So now, after that, aram se take time and do this. Okay. Now do this like one. Just curve line. See how make I? Just one line I do here, curve line for the mouth. Okay, curve line. So this animal looks what kind of? You take time, aram se.
I think this is deer.
Deer, yes, this is the deer. Okay, so you can just add something, circle like this, deer. Just add something, circle, inside circle, circle, inside circle. If I add something like that, it looks deer, more deer, right? So how easy, is that feel difficult or easy, beta?
That is easy, sir. That is easy.
Yes, thank you. So we are creating any character like this, easy way. Whatever animal you want to draw, I can show this easy way so that you can understand any animals is not tough drawing. And after that, any birds, then any fish, and then any human, and then any cartoon. So if you goes this way, you can learn all those drawing very easy way. Okay. So you just after finish your drawing, you take time, your comfort time, and then after that you show what you doing. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
And you explain also, this way, is it easy for you or why it is easy? That's also.
I think it's easy for you.
Yes. Is
Sir, I will show you.
please show beta. Oh, hold on. Yeah, little bit of hold on. Yes, it's absolutely perfect. I like this. Can you explain why your drawing and my drawing is almost same? Why you draw like this easy? What do you feel after the drawing, this step by step? Is this quite easy for you?
So that is like very easy, very and very easy.
Yeah.
That is,
So using shape, circle, oval, it is easy, makes easy, right? That is your concern. Okay. So now we are going to the next. Okay, fine. So before I go to the animals, I want to show something else. So if you're going to go any animals like a dinosaurus, T-Rex, or if you want to go this another dinosaurus like this, the all shapes are simple. The same way I can to say same way. Okay. For example, if you want to draw this kind of also characters, okay, is also the same shapes. Okay, dinosaurs, hippopotamus. Okay, whatever your drawing. Okay, you see. For example, I go the next drawing is birds, so that's why. So suppose if you want to make the hippopotamus, for example, I show how to draw. See, this is a simple circle. Okay, it is a simple circle. Okay. So now after the circle, you see this one. Okay, just.
So I think for this like this, so you will use oval, yeah?
Yeah, this part I use in oval. Okay. So see this first I use in circle, and then I make here. Okay, in down here. Okay, oval like this. For example, how easy it is. Oval and make the straight line. See like this. Here I can draw nose. Okay, and here I draw mouth. Here I draw eyes, circle also, and here I draw the ear, and here I draw curve. This. Understood? So it's coming this, right? Fine. Right? So any animals, if you want to the dinosaurs also, okay, T-Rex, if you want to go like this, it's also same thing. I just want to show you how to do this one. Okay, for example, just circle. See this part I draw with the circle. Imagine the circle. Okay, and see here circle. I make straight line like this. Okay, like this, and the curve line like this. So what I do after that, I just make it. Okay, after that I just make it here. Okay, see here, just like this. Here I draw. Here I draw eyes like this, and I just divided this part like this, 1 and 2. Just divide it, right? So see, now if you make this like this, okay, so it's a dinosaurus, right? Isn't it?
Yes, that is a dinosaur.
Right? So using the circle and curve, you can use in any animals, right? Fine.
Okay.
So the animal part is done. Now we are going to the birds. Okay. So we are going to the birds.